Hello and welcome to Cloud Math. Let's continue from our last video. Part A charges $2.50 for admission and $1.50 per ride. Part B charges $6.50 for admission and 50 cents per ride. Question A. Write a system of equations to represent the situation. When we do the word problem, we need circle, underline, and box important information from the problem. We can circle key numbers and units. Underline the question and box keywords. The question includes two parks, and we are going to talk about the cost in each park. There are two types of charges. One is admission, and another one is cost per ride. The admission is a fixed cost. That means no matter how many rides you go, you need to pay the admission fee. Let x represent the number of rides. For Park A, we have y equals 1.50x plus 2.50. Here the y represents the total cost in Park A. 1.50 times x means the cost for x rides. 2.50 is the admission charge, which does not change. Similar idea for Part B. We have y equals 0.50x plus 6.50. The y is the total cost in Part B. 0.50 times x is the cost for x ride, and 6.50 is the admission cost for Part B. So these two are the system of equations for this question. Question B. Determine the number of rides you can go on such that the total cost will be the same. Let's box the key information first. Okay, so we need to find the number of rides if Part A and Part B have the same cost. In order to make the two costs equal, we write the two equations equal to each other. So we have 1.50x plus 2.50 equals 0.50x plus 6.50. We put the letters to the left and put the numbers to the right. We have 1.50x minus 0.50x equals 6.50 minus 2.50. Then simplify, we have x equals 4. This means if we have 4 rides, the Part A and Part B will charge the same price. Question C. If you want to go on A rides, which part would have a lower cost? For this question, we need to find the total cost for each park. We are able to substitute the number 8 to our system of equations. For Part A, we replace x with 8. We have y equals 1.50 times 8 plus 2.50. Simplify, we have y equals 12 plus 2.50 and y equals 14.50. For Part B, we replace the x with 8. We have y equals 0.50 times 8 plus 6.50. Simplify, we have y equals 4 plus 6.50 and y equals 10.50. This means if you go on A rides, Part A will charge $14.50 and Part B will charge $10.50. It's not hard to tell, Part B has a lower cost. So for the word problem, we need to write an English sentence at the end to interpret our solution. So we can write, Part B will have a lower cost, which will be $10.50.